everyone. We have with us and Godwin Anthony, CEO of Capital Equipments Company, Hailstone. I'll give you a small introduction about him. He was born on 29th July 1987 in Bangalore. He did his schooling in Mariam Nilaya and Banaswadi, Bangalore. He did his PUC in Christ University College, the Central Campus, and also degree in BCom in Christ University. And he did his MBA post graduation from Christ Jayanti College. He got married at the year 2013. So we should know, right, what's really happening in this company. So in Capital Equipments, it is the sales and marketing of construction equipments. So he received the Best Manager Award in 2017 and Best Dealer Award in 2019. Sir, can we have few words from you behind your success?
Yes, thank you, Janita, for the introduction. Like she said, I'm Godwin Anthony. We are into construction and mining equipments related to mining in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra districts. Uh, we are focused on infra development equipments. That is what we deal with. Yeah, I started my business in the year 2015 with say just myself. Today we have a turnover of say close to 25 crore a year, only from Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and Andhra region. We are focusing on becoming the best dealers in the field of construction equipments. This is our vision for the next 3 years.
So, may I ask, what were the
Thank you, sir.
struggles
So
or
how do
failures you faced?
Struggles. When I started, I'm not from a mechanical background. I'm not from a mechanical engineering background. I'm not from an engineering background. I'm basically from an equipment, sorry, BCom background, BCom MBA background, specialized in marketing. So when I started this particular company, the struggle was that I had to get myself adapted to this particular industry, where I didn't know probably the kind of measurements which people talk about in this industry, where I didn't know about how to value margins in this particular industry. Those were the struggles which I was going through. It took almost like say 1.5 2 years time for me, 1.5 2 years time for
okay,
me to understand what this particular industry is, and then we started moving forward towards our focus or our goal.
okay, sir. So what was the source of idea or the strategies you were using for your success?
When you talk about strategies, since construction equipment is related to the government or the infra development of the company, we were looking at what best we could offer in this particular field so that it can be successful, or it can provide a value addition to each and every individual in this country. So, for example, my equipments which I sell is being used in building construction of bridges, construction of dams. So we were looking at providing the best equipments which can minimize the downtime, provide best results, and complete the infra projects at the earliest.
Okay, sir.
So, what were the mission and mission of the company?
Uh, Initially, when I started, we didn't have a mission or a vision. As of now, we have a vision for 2025 to become the best or the most preferred dealer in the field of capital equipment. When I say capital equipment, it can be crushing equipment, it can be earth movers, it can be infra development equipments. So our vision is to become the most preferred dealer in the field of capital equipments. And considering mission, we are looking at developing a sustainable team who can work towards this particular project or this particular production.
Okay, sir. So what were your strengths and weaknesses?
My strength was that absolutely it is my family who actually gave me time to go out and explore the field which I didn't know. That was my major strength. Apart from that, I had few other support from the particular industry who could actually guide me, telling me what exactly I should focus on. My weakness was that I was very new to this particular industry. I didn't know anything about this industry.
Okay.
So I had to spend probably out of 24 hours in a day, I used to spend close to say 18 hours in a day only working, close to 6 hours in a day only with my sleep. So that was my that was the challenges which I was trying to overcome.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what was a contribution to the society, sir?
My company's contribution to the society is that a fast development in the infrastructure field so that everyone can have a sustainable growth. When I say sustainable growth, probably people like you, when you are finish your studies and move out to the actual world to actually achieve your career, you should have a proper infra development in this country. We look at when we downsize it into Karnataka or Bangalore, you should have a good metro connection to different parts of this district or the city. So my equipments were all related to that, which could help in the development of the infra development.
Okay. So what is your current position, sir, in or the market position or your competitors?
See, when I speak about my company, I'm the managing director of Capital Equipments. But when you look at my industry, I'm one of the renowned solution provider in the field of infra development.
Sir, what was your
So what
inspiration
about
for
your
the?
competitors, sir?
Okay,
So, yeah, sorry. Yes, Janita.
you can.
So what can you say about your competitors?
We have competitors, and we actually wish our competitors are always there with us, because only when we have competitors, we actually strive on achieving quality output from our end.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
sir. I wanted to ask, sir, what was your inspiration for the startup of the company?
When I was young, very young, probably when I was in my 7th standard and 8th standard, like when I was getting into my high school, I always wanted to start something by myself. And that was my dream. My father is a person who has been a self-made man by himself. I always considered him to be my role model. Keeping him as my inspiration is what I have worked with. And even today, whatever I do, I always look at what he has done so that I can at least achieve 50 to 60% of what he has achieved. So basically speaking, he is my inspiration.
Okay, sir. So what is your way forward on like your future goals?
Future goals, like I said, we prefer to be the most preferred dealer in the field of capital equipments. Tomorrow, if Tata wants to sell one of their excavators, if JCB wants to sell one of their backhoe loaders, if Hyundai wants to sell one of their forklift, they should always prefer capital equipments to be the first person who can sell it in South India. That is like Karnataka, Andhra,
Okay.
Tamil Nadu, Kerala. That is our future
Okay,
goal.
sir.
So we are actually working towards that particular goal.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so
So
much, sir.
thank you, sir, for giving us your precious time. It was grateful talking to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and I wish you all a very good success in whatever you're doing. All the best. Thank you, Janita, for inviting me for this particular interview to be a part of this particular event.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.